Hello and welcome to the third lesson of the Dothraki tutorial. I focus a little too much on verbs, so today we're going to focus on the accusative case of inanimate nouns. I will explain what we are learning later. It's time for vocabulary. Nouns first, as always. Mai, mother. Yali, child. Dranech, human milk. Lamech, mare's milk. Zelafich, wine. And now for the verbs. Adachat, to eat. Indelat, to drink. Now this vocab should be enough for you to understand the text. Mai adacha eshin. Yali adacha vad. Rakar adacha alegre. Mai inde sewafich. Yali inde stranech. Rakar inde lamech. Grammar time. At the beginning of this lesson, you may have been confused about what inanimate nouns are. Well, I will tell you what they are. Inanimate nouns are one of two types of nouns in Dothraki, the other being animate nouns. Inanimate nouns are usually the names of visibly lifeless, passive objects. Most of the nouns that you have learned so far, except mai and harakar, are inanimate. Beginning with this lesson, I will tell you whether a noun is animate or inanimate. Nouns in Dothraki have to be declined, much like how Latin nouns are declined. The cases are nearly the same. But, however, inanimate nouns do not decline by number, only by case. Animate nouns will decline by number, but we'll learn about those later. Of the 5 noun cases in Dothraki, we have already learned about the nominative case, which is the given form of each noun in the vocabulary. We will be learning about the accusative case. The accusative case of a noun is used when it is the direct object of a verb in a sentence. For instance, in the sentence, I love you, you is the direct object, and I is a subject. Now, how does one decline inanimate nouns in the accusative case? Let's see. If the noun ends in a consonant, it is the same as the nominative. Now, there are some special nouns that... Now, if the noun ends in a vowel, you drop the last vowel. But there are special circumstances when there are exceptions to this rule. Some irregular nouns end in CCV. If you drop the final consonant, you will violate the rules of epenthesis. So, in the accusative case, the noun is shortened to C instead of CC, keeping in mind that C represents the consonant and V the vowel. Now you must remember, apply epenthesis when necessary, always. Here is a list of the inanimate nouns that you have learned so far. Practice declining these verbs in the accusative. That's all I have to say, and I will see you guys later.